Hello, in this video I will show you how you can set up custom keyboard theme on a Redmi 15C. So first of all, open the settings. From here go to additional settings. Now open languages and input and go to manage keyboards. Tap on Gboard and go to theme section, and here you can find keyboard themes, and if you want to set up your custom one, just click on this plus over here. Now you can select photo from your gallery to set it for your keyboard theme. So let's take this one for example, and now you can also change the size of this picture. So let's take this for example, click next, and also you can adjust the brightness of this keyboard. Click done, and basically and also you can turn on or turn off key borders over here and click apply. And now let's open the keyboard, and as you can see I have my custom keyboard theme. So that's all, thanks for watching and subscribe.